In every operation, there are unsung heroes. These individuals keep our environments healthy, safe, and thriving. They are the rock stars of cleaning. Every year, the Academy of Cleaning Excellence honors these remarkable people. From the National Rockstar Custodian Award to your very own state's Rockstar of Cleaning Award, these champions of cleaning are celebrated. Nominations come from educational facilities, building service contractors, and businesses of all types, because excellence in cleaning knows no boundaries. Nominate someone today. Nominations are being accepted until October 31st, 2024. Let's come together to recognize and celebrate the rock stars of cleaning in your operation. Visit rockstarsofcleaning.com to nominate someone today. Because every rock star deserves their moment in the spotlight.